Hello ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you how to use the MRE kits. So those are emergency kits and we got this one. We're going to be prepared in a few seconds home style vegetable in sauce with noodles and chicken. So first of all, we cut open package. Inside you will have this container with the sauce. It actually has name on it, HPAC. It has a small instruction on it too, how to use it, like this one right here. We know exactly what to do, so we're not going to touch that. So this is interesting pack. This is actually heater pack that you cut only. I would always suggest to leave more. Here, let me explain to you. Tear here to remove pack. I usually tear here to use the bag. Cut it at the top so you have more space to work with. Like cut it at the top, like right here, top line, not the bottom line. Inside you will see this heating element that you cannot eat. Okay, it's get hot actually. You can get to burn your hands if you be not very careful. Then you've got spoon and fork, salt and pepper. This is a banana apple smoothie. I think it's a little too sweet for me, but that's good for dessert. This is what I love. This is a very protein bar. This is sunflower butter. This is my favorite one. I mean, you can mix this one and add a little bit of this one. It's gonna be great and amazing. This piece right here is bread. Very nice and neat. Slightly sweet. And this one is a bag to heat this thing up in. I usually bend like this first, one side, and the bend on this side a little bit, and it's become look like a bag, most like a cap, like this. Yep. So what we're gonna do, we'll place this guy right here with the part that's supposed to get cut. It's cut like along this side, so when you open it, it looks like a plate, not from the top, but like this. We slide this in, and now, oops, I'm gonna slide this in this one because it's get hot. And what we do, we're gonna fill with water. Tap water will work. You don't have to use the clean water. You just put the tap water in. That's it. You don't have to put very many. Oh my goodness. There's a hole. This thing is leaking. Oh, this thing has a holes on the side. Right there. Look at that. Good thing I spotted. So what we're gonna do, we're just going to be keep it up like this, I guess. Ay. Yeah, this is actually error. Manufacturer error. Well, this thing is get warm. You can slightly move it water back and forth so everything's get warm. I get the water out. Let's make sure this thing is get wet and hot.
cocoa.
Yeah. So you have to kind of wait 12 minutes for this process. So 12 minutes is passed. We'll just go ahead and open everything. So this is a bread. You just open like that. This is kind of bread. And we're going to open this guy right here. Here along this side, as so. And you've got sort of plate like this. And now you can enjoy it. Mmm, very delicious. If you need a salt, you can always use a stacks with the salt that they have. Salt and pepper. Because the spaghetti is kind of a little bit of sweet, so I like that to be spicy. And they're actually giving you this kind of spoon, and there's actually, I'm gonna use that instead. This is pepper and salt. Pepper, salt, and other spices. Mmm, very delicious. If you look, well, my camera is detached and fall down. I would say thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.